In the Philippines, several forms of business organizations exist, each serving a distinct purpose in socioeconomic development. The primary types are sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and cooperatives. Sole proprietorship. This type involves an individual owning and running the business alone, with complete control and personal liability for debts. Sole proprietorships are often small and easy to establish. Partnership formed by two or more individuals contributing to a common business for profit. Partnerships come in two varieties: general and limited. General partnership. All partners share management responsibilities and have unlimited liability for debts. Limited partnership, comprising general partners with unlimited liability and limited partners with liability restrictions and no active involvement in management. Corporation, a distinct legal entity formed by filing articles of incorporation, with shareholders, a board of directors, and limited liability for shareholders. Stock corporation issues shares to shareholders who have ownership rights and participate in management through voting. Non-stock corporation, established for purposes beyond profit-making, governed by a board without issuing shares. In the Philippines, cooperatives registered with the Cooperative Development Authority, CDA, are owned and managed by members with common interests offering various benefits. Types: credit, consumer, producer, service, and worker cooperatives cater to diverse needs like thrift, procurement, production, and service provision. Democratic control. Members, irrespective of capital contribution, enjoy equal voting rights, ensuring collective decision-making for mutual benefit. Socioeconomic impact. Cooperatives promote economic growth, poverty alleviation, and social empowerment by providing employment, enhancing access to goods and services, and fostering community development. Legal framework governed by the Philippine Cooperative Code of 2008, Republic Act No. 9520. Cooperatives operate under the CDA's regulation, registration, and promotion. Cooperatives offer an inclusive business model, prioritizing member welfare and community development, making substantial contributions to the Philippines' socio-economic landscape. For specific legal requirements or details, consulting local laws or seeking professional advice is recommended. Each type has its pros and cons regarding liability, taxation management, and capital accessibility, chosen based on business nature and ownership preferences. Business organizations significantly contribute to socio-economic development by fostering economic growth, innovation, job creation, and tax revenue generation.